And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year day 126. Let me show you how you can erase sprayed copies. So it's the fourth mode right here of the spray tool. First we need to spray a couple of elements here, just a circle. So the circle on the top left is selected. I activate the spray tool, use the first mode, and then just left click over your canvas to add circles. And if you have too many, you want to get rid of some, you can simply activate here the eraser option, just the fourth mode of this tool. And then left click on the elements that you want to get rid of. This also works for clones. So we've created these circles using the copy mode, the first one. When we create them using the second option, which is the clone mode, we can also afterwards use the eraser tool and get rid of them. When you use the third mode, which is creating copies on a path, then it's a little bit different. Because if I create it like this, we now have two paths, the straight line and then this jagged line. And if I try to delete just one element from it, it's going to delete the entire path. So for the third mode, it's a little bit different, but the first and second mode for copies and clones, it will just get rid of a single element at a time. And this is how you can use the eraser mode of the spray tool in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.